Dr. Fezerhoff, have you gone out of your senses?
I will change the world with my invention. No longer will people have to dice and slice and peel their bananas. They'll explode right into the salad.
You've hated the banana since you became a scientist.
That's because when I used to be in wherever bananas grow, Brazil or something, right? Yes.
Yes, Brazil, famous for bananas.
Yes. Costa Rica. I used to be trapped down there hearing jungle drums night and day.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm sorry,
I hear them in my head.
I'll turn the stereo off.
Thank you.
Show me how your machine works.
Well, first, I have to wipe off the stainless steel counter with my super squeaky wiping juice.
Squeak.
It squeaks before I even touch it. As soon as it comes out of the spray bottle, it's squeaking.
That is indeed super squeaky. Super squeaky. Super squeaky.
That's funny. It squeaks when it comes out, but when I rub it against the stainless steel, it doesn't squeak at all. Isn't that odd?
It looks pretty clean to me. I'm going to switch on your machine and see what it does. I'll turn on this big red switch here.
That's just the first phase of the banana exploding machine. That's just how it warms up and gets started.
I have to say, I'm a little unimpressed.
Well,
I expected more. You talked a lot of, BS about how big your banana exploding machine was. I'm going to take this banana and I'm going to try to operate this machine myself. I'll put it here on the tray.
You fool!
I'm going to power up the big generator right now with this crank.
Do you know what this can mean?
Wait, it gets a lot higher. Now it's powered up. I'm going to hit the switch, and what you are about to hear, I assume, is the explosion of a banana.
Wait, I invented it. At least let me push the button.
Oh, if you think it'll make a sound, go ahead.
You ready?
I'm going to make a martini.
1, 2, 3. Boom! Banana head, what do you say now?
You might think you're fancy with your banana exploding device, but you haven't seen what's behind the giant muslin cloth back here. It is the most fantastic invention of my scientific career. Whoosh. Gaze upon that. Wow! Take a listen to this.
Splat.
I recreated your banana. I reformed the banana from the molecules you scattered with your machine and reformed it.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it's bigger and firmer and nicer than the banana we started with.
Yes. And you'll appreciate how quiet it is.
Wait. I have an idea. Let's put brown bananas, bruised bananas in this machine, explode them, and then make them transmorgify and come out your machine.
Transmorgify?
Yes. Won't that be exciting?
While you do that, I'm going to put on some rap music on the stereo. Just turn the volume up a little bit on this rap music.
Way to go.
Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom.
Boom, boom. Hey, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Thank you very much,
What you gonna do?
Thank
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? That's great.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
That's it. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching. How about a hand for our cast? Brad Sherwood, Colin Mockery, Kathy Kelly.